Today we're going to be going over how to import users via CSV leveraging the JumpCloud Powershell module. In order to get started with this, you'll first want to download the Powershell module outlined in the Support Center KB article here at JumpCloud.com. You can create the CSV either from an Active Directory domain controller, or you can manually create the CSV yourself. We're going to take a look at the CSV that I've already created here. We can currently see that I have two users, Super Admin and Bob Fay, along with all of the US presidents added to the demo jumpcloud.com org. There are multiple columns that you can create and configure in order to add user association to anything that they need and require within JumpCloud. In this use case and example, we have first name, last name, username, email address. You can also set a password for them. If you wish to bypass the welcome email sent out from JumpCloud via the CSV importation method, go ahead and create a column for the password and set them up with a temporary or test password. So in this case, I have three groups. I have admin, sales, and presidents. Your groups will first need to be created within JumpCloud before you can import via CSV. So to begin, let's take a look at our JumpCloud admin UI. To add those users into the groups that are associated, we first need to create these groups by hitting the plus button and creating a group of users, giving the user group a name, and then giving it the attributes or resources that it needs to be bound to. Now that I have the CSV downloaded, first we'll want to connect to the JumpCloud tenant. Using connect-jc online, it's then going to ask for the API key. To get your API key, you want to use your drop-down menu in the top right, select on API settings, and copy the API key that's listed. You'll then want to paste in the API key into the Powershell method. This will then connect to JumpCloud and connect to your JumpCloud organization. Using the command import-jc users from CSV, simply hit enter. This is then going to ask for the CSV file path. Go ahead and put in the full path of where the CSV exists. JumpCloud will then validate the users within the list, and it validates the group associations or any other associations and bindings that you've made within the CSV. Those associations via groups or systems must exist within your JumpCloud organization before you can import via CSV. Confirm that we'd like to import by pressing Y. This is then going to go through the CSV list and import each user into JumpCloud. For 100 users, this approximately takes about a minute. Now that the script is completed, we can then go into the admin UI and check on the list of users. We can now see that everybody is on the pending state waiting for the activation process for them to set up their own password. This will then activate their JumpCloud accounts. Taking a look at the group associations, if I go to groups, we can see which users are bound. Currently in the sales group, I should only have one user, which is Bob Fay. Under presidents, I should see the list of presidents here. And likewise under admins, if we go under the admins table, I can show that the super admin account has been appropriately bound. This concludes importing users via CSV leveraging the JumpCloud Powershell module.